Kids Songs Learning Hub!
Baa, 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 black sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the farmer, 1 for the wife, and 1 for the little boy who lives down the life. Moo, moo goes the cow, eating grass all day. She gives us milk, so yummy and white. A healthy drink, morning, noon, and night. Oink, oink goes the pig, rolling in the mud so big.
Pig oink.
He loves to play and wiggle his snout. A happy pig, there is no doubt. Cluck, cluck goes the hen, laying eggs again and again.
Chicken flush.
Golden yolks and shells so bright, a tasty breakfast, what a delight. Baa, baa, black sheep, and all our friends so sweet. Fun animals are fun to see, learning with them is happy for me. Thanks for singing with us at Kids Song Learning Hub. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun